So my name is Alicia Anderson. I'm in my 5th year of university. I'm in physics and astronomy, Bachelor of Science, and I'm from Calgary, Alberta. This is my 5th year on the women's hockey team here at the university, and I've learned a lot through this experience. So some of the challenges from being on the team while in university would have to be the time management, so figuring out how I'm going to get all of my schooling done while still being able to make practices and workouts, and it's such a huge commitment. But honestly, the benefits have outweighed the challenges. I've made so many friends playing on this team, and you get really close with your teammates and just people in the community, and I found it easy to reach out to people in the community through hockey. I've also found that I had the opportunity to be a mentor to younger girls that are playing hockey, so that also has been a huge benefit to being involved with this team. Honestly, like every game that I played with this team, I can remember. Like, it's just awesome to put the pads on and go out and play with like all of my best friends. I'd have to say the best part about studying physics at the U of L would be the connections that I've made, like in both the faculty and the people that I've gone to school with. I work for the Astronomical Instrumentation Group, which is led by Dr. David Naylor. Essentially, we're building instrumentation that will one day be sent into space. My involvement with teaching students in junior physics, I never knew that teaching would be so hard. It just seemed like it was simple. You tell someone how to do something and they do it. But I've learned a lot that a lot of students will think of things a lot differently than I think of them. And so I might think that my way is the only way to do something, but they can think of 10 different ways to do the same thing. So I guess just learning that everybody thinks different and everyone can think of different ways to think of problems. So the challenges in working for the group while also having school and hockey has mainly been time management. And it's mainly been that I can't put as much time into work as I want to. I love my job and I love going to work, and sometimes I wish I didn't have practice so I could stay, but no, it's been great for the most part, in just being able to follow my passion and kind of follow something that I've wanted to do for a long time. So it's nice to kind of see my future falling into place. With the sports and academic side, I found the main thing I've learned over the past 5 years is that you have to be 100% in the moment. Like, if you're at practice, you have to be thinking about hockey. If you're at school, you have to be thinking about school. Like, there's no point in going half into each activity that you're at. You want to be 100% present and in the moment. So for the future right now, I'm applying to take my Master's of Science at the University of Lethbridge. And so my start date would be May 1st, 2020 for that, so coming up pretty quick. I've wanted to go to space since I was a little kid. As soon as I decided that I wasn't going to grow up and be Christina Aguilera, that's always been my dream. But yeah, I love my job right now. I love what I do. And I'd love to work for a space agency one day and do research in the fields that I'm in right now. So I'd love to see where it goes.